Hi, this is Miss Torres, and today I am going to read you the fiction story, The Bundle of Sticks, based on a fable by Aesop. Long ago, on a cool fall day, it was harvest time in a village in Japan. Mrs. Sato greeted her students. "Class," she said, "the harvest festival is in 1 week. We must decide how we will participate this year." Excited whispers filled the room. The whole village still talked about the mask parade from last year's festival. Mrs. Sato's class had made beautiful masks to wear in the parade. Hiro raised his hand. "I know what we should do," he said. "Let's make paper lanterns and float them on the river." Then Yuki spoke up. "Let's cook special dishes from plants from the harvest." More students chimed in with their ideas, but nobody could agree on just the right one. Soon, everyone in the class began to quarrel. "Calm down, everyone," said Mrs. Sato. "All of you have good ideas, but we will never decide if we quarrel. We can work together to make the festival fun for our community. Let me show you something." Mrs. Sato left the room. She quickly returned with a bundle of sticks. The children looked at her curiously. Mrs. Sato always did surprising things. What would she do now? "Look at this bundle of sticks," she said. "Do you think that one of you could break one stick from this bundle?" "Of course I could," said Hiro. "That would be easy." "Well, what about you, Yuki? Come up and try it." Yuki walked to the front of the room. Mrs. Sato took a single stick from the bundle and handed it to Yuki, who broke it in half with a snap. "That was easy, wasn't it, Yuki?" Mrs. Sato asked. Yuki nodded. But everyone else was confused. What was Mrs. Sato trying to tell them? "Now," said Mrs. Sato, "I have another question for you. Do you think that one of you could break this entire bundle of sticks?" Hiro's hand popped up. Oh, I think I could do it, Mrs. Sato," he said. "Okay, Hiro," Mrs. Sato said. "Come up here and try." Hiro was eager to show how strong he was. He walked proudly to the front of the room. Mrs. Sato handed him the bundle of sticks. Hiro pulled. He pushed. He twisted. But no matter how hard he tried, he could not break the bundle of sticks in half. Then, one by one, the rest of the children tried to break the bundle of sticks. Each child failed. Mrs. Sato smiled at the children. "This is why people in a community must work together," she said. "Alone, you are like one single stick. But together, you are like a bundle of sticks. You cannot be broken." The children finally understood, and they knew what they had to do. Working together, the children decided to make 2 projects for the festival. One group would make paper lanterns. The other group would write recipe ideas for harvest meals. Then Kin thought of an idea. "We have to do something special with our bundle of sticks," he said. The class cheered in agreement. "Yes, yes!" The group making lanterns used the sticks to build rafts so their lantern could float. The group writing recipes decided to decorate their food table with leaves from the sticks. The children worked hard on their projects. Everyone smiled because there was nothing left to quarrel about. Mrs. Sato helped both groups. At the end of the day, she gathered the class together. "Oh, I'm so proud of you," she said. "Now that you are working together, your projects will improve the festival for the entire community." Now you are going to practice your reading comprehension skills by retelling the story using the pictures. Feel free to pause the video to answer the questions and then press play when you are ready to move on to the next one. Card 1. Who are the people in the picture? What are the children doing? Card 2. What does Mrs. Sato do? Card 3. What is Hiro trying so hard to do? What happens next? Card 4. What lesson do the children learn? How does Mrs. Sato feel? Thanks for watching The Bundle of Sticks.